need to stand out. And you see that my average occupancy rate was at 91%. You can get booked way more often. I want to show you the calendar hack. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you and show you how I got from 0% bookings to 91% over the last 7 months. I will also show you how you get your occupancy up to 92%. And you might ask me, why is the occupancy rate so important? Let me tell you this. Your occupancy rate is basically your income. The more your occupancy rate is, the more your income is. I have 3 quick tips and hacks how you can increase your occupancy rate really quick. Let me show you guys really quick where you can find your occupancy rate. When you log in into your Airbnb account, just go under Inside and then go under Occupancy and Rates and then go under Occupancy Rate, and then you can check out your listings over here. You see that I got 5 listings over here, and you see that the time frame was from the July 1st to January 17th, and you see that my average occupancy rate was at 91%, which is compared to many others very high, as you can see here. You can compare your listing with other similar listings over here. You can see that the average listing of other listings are around 78 to around 83 and sometimes down even to 61%. So you see that 91% is doing really good. You might ask how to get up to 91% occupancy rate. I can tell you with a simple hack, which I call it the calendar hack. I would suggest to you that you start with a higher minimum of days. Let's say you do like 3 days minimum and you get like 1, 2, 3 book, you get this one book, you get, let's say here book, let's say you get a 4 days booking. Let's have a look at this example here. You got 4-5 bookings over 1 month. But let's say here's someone who wants to get a 7-day or 8-day booking, and you see there's no more room because everything is so spaced out over the month that you can't accommodate someone who wants a booking of 7 or 8 days. Look at this. You have here, it's 4, 5, 6 days, so he can't book, right? So you are missing 1 booking. And here is the same thing. If someone wants like 4 or 5 days, he can't really get it because you got 2 bookings which are spaced out and is blocking other dates. So the best you can do here, or what I suggest you to do, is to increase your minimum days of stay for a booking. So this means you can increase it to, let's say, 7 days. If you make it 7 days, it will look something like this. So from the 2nd to the 8th, and then you might have something from the 12th to the 15, 16, 17. Maybe he's staying a little bit longer. Let's say he stays until the 18th, and then you get another booking right here. So if you have this, you can go back to Airbnb and you can unblock or change the rules for your 9th to 11th. So someone can theoretically stay here maybe for 2 nights, 1 night or 3 nights. This depends on you, how you want to set up your new minimum stay. I hope this is somewhat understandable for you guys. So in short, just increase your minimum stay for each booking and fill it up with smaller minimum days afterwards. So you can fill up all the gaps and you get the bigger, larger and easier to manage bookings at the beginning. If you guys think that the tips and tricks were helpful, then yeah, please give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. The second tip or trick I want to show you and share with you is you need to stand out. What do I exactly mean by that? Let me show you this inside. Let me use this example to show you right here. When you go into your Airbnb account and you go under Inside and go under Conversion and Booking Conversion, you can see how well your listing is converting. The better it converts, it shows, the better it stands out against your competition. Let me show you this. When you go under compare and go under similar listing, you will see that my conversion rate in the black line is better than the line underneath. So we got a very good conversion rate against our competitors. Let me show you how to do this. So let me show you the listing. So this is the listing right here, and this is the picture everyone will see at the beginning. I try to capture everything what it was important to me. So when you take pictures, try to have the lights on, take it with a wide angle, and let people see what is important to you. You can see from the picture that we tried at the construction phase and at the designing phase to stand out from the very beginning. We are using two different green tones, which is usually not very recommendable for your own home, but it's okay for 1 week or couple days or even for a month to try something new. Someone who wants to do Airbnb usually wants to live somewhere which doesn't look like their own home. So you can design in a way to stand out from other listings so you get more clicks. You can see from the pictures that we use very high contrast, like the green and the white here, and you have the paintings over here with the brown kitchen and the golden hardware. This is another view of our kitchen, sitting area and living room. From this picture you can see that our kitchen is very well equipped, so think about to increase your amenities to make it more attractive for your guests. You see that we have portable stove, pan and pots, a coffee machine, spice rack, knife sets, microwave and a portable oven. You can see that our bathroom is using a unique wallpaper, golden and bluish design, which stands out from many other listings. I can recommend you to use materials which looks good on pictures and are eye-catching and make viewers want to look into it more. The longer a viewer is staying at your listing, the higher the chance is that they will finally end up booking with you. The last trick today I want to tell you is the price, of course. The price, if you go lower, of course, you can get more occupancy rate and you can get booked way more often. But the last thing we want to do is to reduce our rate. So how much is a perfect rate for you? Let's go inside and we will talk about this. So let me show you this. When you go under insight and under performance and then you go under nightly rate, you find this. So you see that my average nightly rate is $66. So my 5 listings are 1-bedroom studios. So this is why it's more on the lower side for the nightly rates. The time frame I choose was from August 1st to January 17th. When you compare my listings with other people's listing, you see that I'm indeed a little bit cheaper or more affordable than others. You can see that others are like around at $80 per night, and you can see that I'm constantly at around 60. I think being cheaper or more affordable than others can increase your occupancy rate, but is it a good thing to do? I would say it's a yes and a no. If you are more affordable than other people, your wear and tear might be higher because your occupancy rate is also higher, but it also increases your income. So you need to think for yourself. You can play with your nightly rates to find the best balance for you. You want to keep your occupancy rate high as possible, but also your nightly rates to make the most money. If you like my free tips today, then please give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I also have 5 units which we are renovating at the moment, and I give you guys weekly updates on the process how I turn a 5-plex into 5 units for the short-term rental. Thank you so much and see you hopefully in the next video. Thank you, bye.